Today we are receiving some mangaves from Walter's Gardens, and the girls are in the greenhouse with me today. You made a bat? Oh, cool.
And a bat.
That looks cool.
You want to know what I made out of this pipe cleaner?
What'd you make, Selah?
I made a person doing this.
Okay, so girls, today we are receiving some mangaves. Do you know what they are?
No.
Well, we're gonna see real soon. The semi's coming soon. All right, girls, you ready?
Yeah, I think it's here.
I think so too. Let's go see.
It's here. It's Goldie. Stop!
Hello? Hey. Okay, I'm going up front now. Okay, bye. All right, let's go, girls. Oh yeah, it's here. There it is. Here they are on this really cold, windy day. We're gonna move them in and load them up on the Ranger and bring them into the greenhouse to their new home. Welcome home to the new additions in the greenhouse. The different types of mangaves from Walter's Gardens. The other ones are over here. I like the different size pots too, so that way when I pot them up, they'll be in different sizes. I'd love to bring some of these inside the house too. Wouldn't those be pretty inside the house, girls? Look at, they're working on their little Halloween crafts today.
What?
This one is called Desert Dragon. And these like full sun. It's really heavy. It's almost like a huge aloe plant. It holds a lot of moisture in the leaves, so it's a super heavy plant. I love the coloration in it too, with the different colors of the green going all the way to like the dark purples. It's very, very, very gorgeous. This one over here is called Frosted Elegance. Super gorgeous. Has that beautiful frosted green color. This would be gorgeous even throughout the home for any time of year, even during Christmas time with that light green, kind of that sagey green color. Yeah, it looks really nice. It looks really good next to our Hubbard squash here. So the Hubbard squash can act as an ornamental, or you can eat it. It's actually one of the best tasting squash you can eat. This mangave is called Painted Desert. And I just love the green color and how once it gets closer towards the center, it gets a really pink color. And I'm sure during different times of the season it gets even more vibrant with those colors that are accentuated towards the center. Look how beautiful that is. I love the name of this one here. It's called Bad Hair Day. Does that look like a bad hair day, Lana? It's actually a very heavy plant. It carries a lot of moisture in the leaves. Yeah, feel how heavy these leaves are, and then lift up the pot. It's pretty heavy for that little pot, right?
I know, and it's so small.
I know, it's so cute though.
Mom, look what I made.
And it does look like long hair because it's very movable, like movable leaves. This one's really, really gorgeous in the growth habit of the leaves. It's called Catch a Wave, which you can totally tell why it's called that. It's got a wavier growth on the leaf. It's more of a firm placed leaf too. And even though it looks like this would hurt, it doesn't. But I mean, if you rub hard on it, it would, but it doesn't really poke you too hard or anything. But the color of it is so, so pretty. And this one over here is the last one. And this one is called Snow Leopard, which I think is a really good name for it because it does have like these different patterns on the leaves. But I love how then it goes to a lighter lime white color along the edge of the leaf. It's very pretty and it'll be very showy. I love how it looks with even that yellow mum in the background and the orange pumpkins, and it looks really, really pretty. I probably sound like a broken record because I'm constantly repeating myself at how pretty these are, but in person they're even prettier than what I can show you on video. They're so gorgeous, and we want to thank Walter's Gardens for sending this to us. You know, they had just asked us not too long ago if, you know, we would be interested in trying them out. And I'm like, yes! I've been eyeing those things all summer, so I am super excited to be able to grow them this winter in the greenhouse. And I just can't wait to see how they do. So thank you so much, Walter's Gardens, for sending us the mangaves. We look forward to having them grow along with us in the greenhouse this winter, and then bring them out to their new home in the summertime in the garden.
Thank